The first thing you want to do is disconnect the battery terminals. The tools you need include a 10mm socket with an extension and a 5/8 spark plug socket, along with 4 new spark plugs specifically for the year, make, and model of your vehicle. Hope this video helps. Okay, today we're going to be replacing the spark plug on a 2012 Honda Accord. One of the first things you want to do is pop the hood. Make sure it's nice and cooled down before you start to work on the vehicle. Now there is a cover that goes across here. Alright? There are going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 10mm bolts. You're going to take those out. They look a little something like this. 4 of those. And you're going to remove this cover off the valve cover, that trim piece. Now you have access to the coils and the spark plugs. Now there are going to be 4 10mm bolts. One there, one there, one there, and one there, and they're going to look something like this. Okay, 4 of them. Once you get those off, unbolted, then you can start to remove the clip from each one, you know. So they're gonna have tabs on them, right? You're gonna snap it out like that. What you wanna do, you wanna take that tab, push down on it, and pull away from the connector. And oh, good, Auntie, thank you. Okay, 4 connectors like that. Once you unsnap those, and then you can individually start to pull coils up and replace the spark plugs one by one. So I'm going to pull the first one up, give it a little wiggle. Okay, coil looks good, no oil on it. I'm going to look down into there. Looks good, no oil. Let's get to it. Okay, one thing you want to do is take the spark plug, the new one, out of the box, and look for a 5/8 socket. In this case, I have a spark plug socket, and just make sure. Okay, go down into here. Turn it on. Hey, these things do look a little. Okay, that thing does look pretty worn down compared to that one, which has a lot more. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, we're about to go back on with it. Let's see. Once it starts to feel like it's tightening up, you'll know. Okay. I don't use a torque measure. I use my natural senses and abilities to know how far to tighten this spark plug. Yeah. Now you want to slide the coil back down on there. Make sure you slide it in the right position.
Auntie, you want to come let your windows up? It's about to rain.
Okay. Now you want to take your clip, connect them. Voila. Oh yeah, my bad. Hold on there.